Hey there, Money Masters. It's your girl Izzy back with another episode of Money Matters Made Easy. Today we're going to dive into a topic that's on everyone's mind as we approach the holiday season: budgeting. Now, I know budgeting can seem like a daunting task, but I promise you it's just like planning a holiday dinner. Think about it. When you're planning a holiday dinner, you don't just go to the store and start throwing things in your cart, right? You make a list. You decide what dishes you're going to make, what ingredients you need, and how much of each ingredient you need. That's exactly what budgeting is. It's making a list of what you need, what you want, and how much of each you can afford. So let's start with the turkey, the centerpiece of our holiday dinner. In our budget, the turkey represents our essential expenses, the things we absolutely need to pay for. This includes things like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and any other bills you have. Just like you wouldn't skip the turkey at your holiday dinner, you can't skip these expenses in your budget. Next, we have the side dishes. These are the things that make the holiday dinner special, but aren't absolutely necessary. In our budget, these represent our discretionary expenses, the things we want, but don't necessarily need. This could be things like gifts, decorations, or special holiday foods. Just like you might decide to skip the green bean casserole if you're running low on time or ingredients, you can decide to cut back on these expenses if you're running low on funds. Finally, we have the dessert. This is the cherry on top of our holiday dinner, the thing that makes it truly special. In our budget, dessert represents our savings. Just like you might save room for dessert at the end of your meal, you should always try to save a portion of your income, no matter how small. Now, just like planning a holiday dinner, budgeting requires some preparation and thought. You can't just throw things together and hope it works out. You need to sit down, look at your income and expenses, and make a plan. And just like you might adjust your dinner plans based on who's coming, what ingredients you have, or what dishes you want to make, you can adjust your budget based on your income, your expenses, and your financial goals. So there you have it, folks. Budgeting for the holidays is just like planning a holiday dinner. It might seem daunting at first, but with a little preparation and thought, it can be a piece of cake. Or should I say, a slice of pie. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more easy-to-understand financial advice. And remember, just like a good holiday dinner, a good budget is all about balance. So make sure you're balancing your needs, your wants, and your savings. Thanks for tuning in, Money Masters. Until next time, keep making those money matters easy. Happy budgeting and happy holidays.